Hi, thanks for joining me this evening for a really quick tutorial on how to use the curve line in Google Drawings when your students are coloring maps. I'm just going to shoot down to the bottom and we'll get started. So the first thing you're going to want to have your students do is go to the Insert option and select the image that you would like them to color. Once they've inserted this and adjusted it for the dimensions that you would like, they can start with their curve tool. They want to go up to the line option and choose curve. Now the curve tool is fantastic for roads and streams, especially on maps. So this tool is also a click and draw. It is not the kind of tool where the pressure on the mouse creates the line. So you click, draw, and then you double click when you want to exit. Once your line is done, you can go up to the coloring tool and change the color and also change the weight. And that's it.